The white sticky material is actually called denture adhesive. The denture adhesive serves a very simple purpose, and that is to increase the retention between that set of artificial teeth, which is called a complete denture. So it helps with the retention between the complete denture and the inside of your mouth. A person may have only a single complete denture or a complete denture for the upper and for the lower jaw. It's not necessarily the best option to replace all missing teeth. Definitely dental implants, if the person can afford it, would be a better option compared with the traditional conventional complete dentures. Subscribe.